In today's interconnected world, remote work has become increasingly common, offering individuals the flexibility to work from anywhere. This newfound freedom often leads remote workers to explore opportunities for working while traveling abroad. While the idea of working from exotic locations may sound enticing, remote workers need to understand the legal implications involved. In this video, we'll explore key legal tips for remote workers who are considering working abroad, ensuring they stay compliant with local laws and regulations. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, Remote Revolution, and press the bell icon to stay updates. Let's get started. Number 7. Remote work agreements and contracts. Remote work agreements and contracts serve an important role in protecting remote workers' interests, while defining clear expectations with customers or employers. These agreements serve as a roadmap for the working partnership, defining key terms and circumstances. A well-drafted contract has several critical parts, including the scope of work, which specifies the precise activities or deliverables expected of the remote worker. It also covers payment terms, including the manner and frequency of compensation. Intellectual property rights are another important part of these agreements, defining ownership and usage rights for any work created during the engagement. Furthermore, robust dispute resolution methods have, by assuring clarity and comprehensiveness, remote work agreements lay the groundwork for effective and mutually rewarding working relationships. Number 6. Understand the implications of visas. Depending on your home country, securing a special visa or permit may be necessary for working and traveling abroad. While some opt for tourist visas to avoid complications, this practice can sometimes cause legal issues. Just remember, if you're working while traveling and you don't have a work visa, immigration officials might get suspicious. Many countries now offer digital nomad visas to encourage people to visit and stay. These visas usually let you stay for a long time and work legally without paying taxes there. But if you're doing something like house sitting through a platform, keep in mind that border control might see it as work. Even though you're not getting paid money, you're still getting free accommodation, so it counts as work legally. This could cause problems if you don't have a work visa and you're trying to enter a country. Number 5. Stay tax compliant while abroad. Taxation is another critical aspect that remote workers must address when working abroad. The tax implications can be complex and may depend on various factors, including the individual's tax residency status, the duration of stay in a particular country, and any existing tax treaties between countries. Some countries impose taxes on income earned within their borders, while others have specific provisions for digital nomads or remote workers. Consulting with a tax advisor can help remote workers navigate these complexities and ensure compliance with tax laws. Number 4. Ensure data privacy. Data privacy is the next significant issue that is becoming increasingly complicated, with countries enacting drastically diverse data privacy regulations. The first worry is ensuring the integrity of your company's data when accessed from a remote location, which raises the danger of hacking and cybercrime. Virtual private networks, VPNs, and multi-factor authentication are increasingly being utilized to address this issue. But employers must be aware of where and how they are accessing sensitive data. VPNs that ensure data does not leave the company's nation of operations can be employed. However, there are concerns regarding where the VPN servers are located and if the VPN data logs comply with data privacy regulations. Number 3. Research labor laws and employment regulations. For remote workers, the legal situation can vary based on factors like time spent in a country, where work is done, and the nature of the job. While some may remain under their home country's employment laws, extended stays or dedicated workspaces in a host country can shift legal jurisdiction. This affects aspects like pay, holidays, and termination conditions. Despite remote work's flexibility, adherence to local labor laws is mandatory. Ignoring these laws can lead to legal liabilities and conflicts with employers or authorities. Always research the labor laws of the country you're in and ensure your working practices align with them to avoid potential legal issues. Number 2. Respect your company's policies. Some companies prohibit the use of public Wi-Fi or have strict guidelines for handling personal information outside of the office. Make sure you are informed of any such policies so that you do not get into unnecessary trouble. If your organization mandates you use a VPN for security reasons, using another VPN to mask your location becomes more difficult, but not impossible. You can utilize a VPN provider that supports split tunneling. This allows you to connect to your company's VPN for business while still accessing the internet via your home connection, giving the impression that you're checking in from home, even when abroad. Number 1. Never set off without insurance. Make sure you have health and travel insurance before you set off. This will give you peace of mind, knowing that you're covered if something goes wrong. Check whether your employer's health insurance provides coverage outside of your native country. If not, getting independent travel insurance is even more important. In the case of illness or accident abroad, having comprehensive coverage can help to reduce financial pressures and provide access to vital medical care. Accidents may happen anytime, and having proper insurance gives a safety net while traveling. As a result, never go without insurance, since it is an essential component of smart trip planning. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Remote Revolution for even more exciting content. Follow us on Instagram, Remote Revolution Official. Thanks for watching.